What's going on there, people? Welcome back to MBK. I nearly said vapor then, but it's not. MBK does weight loss. And yeah, I've been trying to keep up on socials the last week or so. I know I haven't posted a video in some time. Just a couple of updates. I was telling you before that I wanted to get rid of my COVID weight and stuff like that. I've done that. I'm down to 18.9, which is 117 kilo now. I haven't been this weight since I was 18 years old. So that's impressive in itself. I had my hair cut yesterday. I haven't styled it yet because I've only just got to work because I've just been to the gym. A nice back and shoulder workout I've done today. We're starting off with a bit of 30-minute cardio on the cross trainer. And yeah, I feel absolutely banging, to be fair. Now I'm getting back into a routine, getting myself into that sort of momentum. I feel absolutely fantastic. There is a couple of videos that I want to make, and I will be making probably next week. I'll be doing a couple that I've already done on my other channel, and I'll be remaking them for this. So my lunch is what's called an overnight oats, and I'm going to show you how I make it and what I actually put in there and tell you how many calories. I want to show you the app that I use. If you don't use it already, I want to show you what I use. It's MyFitnessPal, so I'm going to be showing you that as well. Just showing you a few little bits basically, and showing you how you can keep track of your diet and your intake of food and your what you're spending your calories on doing through the duration of the day. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. This is going to be a super quick video because there's noise outside. I really should shut that door because then it'd be a little bit mute. So I do apologise if you can hear that out there. So yeah, that's about it, guys. To be honest, I just wanted to keep you updated. There's been a couple of companies getting in touch with me to be sponsored, but I've got to buy some of their merch and they'll promote me. I'm not sure, but if X-Tone want to sponsor me, so I'll use their protein. You know, I'll use their bottles. Hit me up. Yeah, but yeah, it's coming together nicely. I'm getting quite a good following. Once again, I do appreciate every single one of you that stopped around, just because I know it's. I know this used to be a vaping channel, basically, and not a lot of you wanted to see this. You want vaping content, which I totally understand. So I know there's still a lot more people to go. I know I've still got over 1,000, 1,100, and it's going down slowly. I know that's going to happen, but I had to do what I think was best for me, just because that 1,000 people. A couple of people can see it and a few people can share it, and that can build up the audience that way, you know. So on to sharing things. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, people. If you're new here, welcome. I'm here to share my journey and your journey as well. I'm thinking about some live streams coming up as well, maybe get some Q&As about my weight loss, what I've done, and how hopefully I can help you guys as well. So yeah, put down if you've got any ideas for content. I've got loads, but if there's anything in particular that you want to see on this channel, now I've got the fire alarm going. Oh, what a morning, what a morning. Not sponsored by X-Tone, by the way, but if they do want to, that's the second plug. And that looks really weird there, doesn't it? I'm going to put that out of frame. But yeah, if you've got any ideas, if you've got any questions that you want me to turn into a video format, I'll be more than happy to. You know, I want to get some more content out on here. I've been concentrating on getting rid of my COVID weight and stuff like that, and getting back to on track to where I needed to be. And at the minute, I can't have a spotter at the gym, which, well, if I go to a different gym, I can, but I like Pure Gym. It's nice, it's convenient, and that's about it for the gym. But as soon as I can get a spotter in and we can start doing a little bit of filming inside the gym, because we'll be filming each other on how we each other look, instead of just, yeah, that's perfect form and stuff like that. So that is my plan. I want to get that executed, but at the minute it's not going to work. So yeah, guys, thank you very, very much for supporting me, you know, and all the comments that I've been having. It's been absolutely amazing. I am going to try to reply to every single comment and keep up on the socials. By the way, this might be the last video in this. I might do a couple more before I leave this place. But more on that when we move, when I move. Yes. So this might be the last video you see in this office kitchen area. Yeah, so if you want any content, if you want something answered or stuff like that, I am going to leave it up to you. I have got some ideas, food prep and stuff like that, what I eat at the minute and what I used to eat and stuff like that. I might do a video of a day what I used to eat. God, that'd be mortifying. I don't think I could eat it. But if that's something that you're interested in, you know, to see how much of a pig I was back then, I'll think about doing it. But at this moment in time, I think I'll do that when I've lost a bit more, nearly to my goal weight. I might actually do that for a goal weight video and see what I used to eat back in 2018, slightly into 19, and just show you what I used to eat, you know, and to what I eat now. I might do a full day of eating for what I do now, like my intermittent fasting and stuff like that, which it's isn't a lot. It's only about 1,500 calories that I'm down to at the minute, but you know, it's one of those. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side, and I'll see you later. Ta-ra a bit.